Hello everyone, I am Riamel Gloriana, and for today's video, I will going to discuss about the language programs and policies of Malawi. Let us learn and appreciate the country of Malawi. The language programs and policies of Malawi. Before we proceed to our main topic, I will going to discuss the facts about Malawi. A landlocked country, Malawi, formerly known as Nyasaland, is located in Southeast Africa. Zambia borders Malawi to the northwest and Tanzania borders it to the northeast. Malawi shares its eastern, southern, and western borders with Mozambique. The country spans an area of 188,000 square kilometers and houses 16,777,547 people. The capital of Malawi is Lilongwe. Lilongwe is Malawi's largest and capital city. As of 2015, Malawi's population was 1,077,116. The city is located in the central region of the country and is close to Malawi's borders with Zambia and Mozambique. The capital of Malawi was initially a small fishing village on the Lilongwe River's banks. Due to its strategic location, the British used it as administrative center during the colonial rule. Lilongwe was recognized as town in 1947, and after the country's independence, Lilongwe became the capital of Malawi. When it comes to tourism, Malawi has a high potential for tourism development. South Africans are the main source of tourists in the country. In 2014, tourism contributed 4.5 to Malawi GDP. The main attraction in the country are the Lake Malawi, the Nyaika, Kusungu, and Liwonde National Parks, and the Zamba Plateau. Religious beliefs in Malawi. As I said earlier, Malawi, officially the Republic of Malawi, is a landlocked country in southern Africa, bordered by Tanzania, Zambia, and Mozambique. The people of Malawi are the main Bantus, divided in several ethnic groups with different religious beliefs. 44% of the entire population in Malawi are Protestant Christians. And now, let's proceed to our main topic, the language program and policies in the country of Malawi. What languages are spoken in Malawi? Malawi is a highly diverse country found in the continent of Africa. Its diversity is evident from the many languages spoken in the country. Chichewa is the national language of Malawi. Chichewa also was known as Chinyanja, Chiwa, or Nyanja, is the native language of about half of Malawi's population and is country's official language. At present, Chichewa is the most common language spoken in Malawi, mostly in the southern and central regions of the country. The government of Malawi further promotes active command and functional literacy of the language through media usage. A variety of educational programs and research activities are held and under the Chichewa Board, which is currently known as the Center for Language Studies. English is the official language of Malawi, a reminder of British colonial rule in the country. Being the official language of Malawi, English was first introduced to the country towards in the end of the 19th century. The introduction was a result of the influence of the arrival of British African Lakes Corporation, missionaries, explorers, and the colonial administrators, who were present since the British Central Africa Protectorate was established in the 1890s. However, the following countries' independence, the language managed to remain prevalent. English is also the language that students in international schools are taught in, while in government school they learn it as a second language. The Yao, which is Bantu language Africa, comprises of approximately 2 million speakers in Malawi. Mongoshe is the language's main dialect, which is mostly spoken in the regions of Lake Malawi. The Yao language is also known by several other names, including Jao, Ayo, Achawa, Jao, Chiyao, Wajao, and among others. Most Yao speakers in Malawi live in the country's southern region. Tambuka, also known as Situmbuka, or Tambuka is among the native languages spoken in Malawi, mostly in the country's northern region. The language is spoken by about 9.5% of population of Malawi. Tambuka lost its status as country's official language following the One Nation, One Language policy implemented since 1968 by former President Hastings Kumuzu Banda. As a result, the language was removed from the print media, the school curriculum, and the national radio. However, efforts of returning Tambuka programs on the radio have started again. Other languages spoken in Malawi. Malawi, unlike many African countries that have hundreds of languages, has about 16 living languages. Most of these languages consist of very few speakers. The other living languages in the country include Malawian Lamwe that have 850 speakers, mostly living in southeastern region of the country. The Nyakyusa and Gande language having about 300,000 speakers, mostly living in region around the north end of Lake Malawi. Other languages include Malawian Sena with 270,000 speakers in living the south, and the Tonga language with an estimated of 170,000 speakers, mainly living in the Nyakyata Bay district. On the shores of the Lake Malawi, there are also smaller numbers of Malawian people who speak Zolo and Afrikaans, which are among the two important languages spoken in the nearby country of South Africa. The rest of the languages include Lambia, Kachi, Kokola, Endale, Nyeha, and Nyeka.